introduce elephant dung paper.
What's up, John? What's up, Dana?
How you doing? Tell us a little bit about this, these cool stationary pieces and stuff we got here. What are they made out of exactly?
Ellie Pooh is an eco-friendly fair trade company out of Sri Lanka. We're making products partially out of elephant poo. 50% post-consumer, 50% fiber from the poo. Everything is handcrafted and handmade. You do want to take a look at the items. I guess part of the value is just making the paper, but the other value that we have on the paper is just the arts and crafts and the artisan work that's put into it.
That's great. A little bit, how is paper made out of dung?
Well, it's a pretty rudimentary process. It's like making paper in elementary school. So you just gotta extract the fiber from the poo, get rid of the poo part. We boil and sanitize the fiber. We tear that up with other recycled paper. We screen it, we press it, and we just hang it to dry.
That's great. Is there a website people can go to buy some of these awesome products?
Please do. www.MrElliePooh.com. MrElliePooh.com.
Sounds good. Thanks for talking with us today.
All right, great.
The story of how they make elephant poo into paper in their
Let's do that. Cool.
in their books.
Hi, I'm Mr. Ellie Pooh.
I eat and then I poo and then we turn it into papers.